To find an equivalent expression to what is given here, a good strategy would be to first just look at our denominator, this thing here that I've highlighted. And what we want to do is we want to rewrite it so that it is one fraction. Okay, so we've got 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 5. In order to add these, we need a common denominator. We're going to do that, to make the denominators the same, we're going to multiply them by each other, because x plus 5 times x plus 2 is the same thing as x plus 2 times x plus 5. Sorry, it's a little messy there, but hope you get the idea. Now, what's going to happen here is if I multiply 1 times x plus 5, we'll just have x plus 5. And then over here, 1 times x plus 2, well, of course, that's just x plus 2. But because we have a common denominator, x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5, we can now combine those together to become one single fraction. Next, I'm going to simplify this numerator. We would have 2x plus 7. And then in our denominator, if we were to expand, we would get, well, x times x is x squared. I'm using the FOIL method here to do this. And then I'm just going to skip a step here. If I'm adding 2x plus 5x gets me plus 7x. And then our last term would be plus 10. And I'm getting that by multiplying the 2 and the 5 together. Great. So we just figured out that our denominator in the original expression is equal to this. So really, we can rewrite this expression up here to become 1 over this, 2x plus 7 over x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now, the great thing about doing 1 divided by a fraction is all you're doing is you're flipping that denominator. You're finding the reciprocal of it. So if we were to flip this fraction, we would get our answer. X squared plus 7x plus 10 all over 2x plus 7. Okay, and we can see that matches option B. All right, hope that's helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.